Grok just broke my heart, and I know I am not the only one. Million others are heartbroken. As I speak now, Grok is locked behind subscription. Lots of people are frustrated because their works are actually unfinished. They have projects that they are not done with them, and then Grok is locked. But thank God I have found a way, and this way I'm going to share with you also. So without $30, you're not able to use Grok again. So just imagine you did a project yesterday or day before yesterday, and people are actually waiting for the next part or the part two of your story, but you can't continue because Grok is actually locked. And to be honest, we all know the best tool in the market right now is Grok. No other tool beats Grok as at now. So right now, we couldn't sleep, myself included. So we did research, and we found a way how to use Grok for free. And this is what I'm going to show most of you who have your projects pending and you feel like crying, you don't know what to do, and you don't have the $30 to subscribe. So if you're like me and you always use Grok, me, I take my tea, then I take my laptop, then I'm going straight to Grok. That's what I always do. And then I get my script. So if you know you're like me and you also use Grok daily or almost every day, and right now your projects are all logged and you're not able to continue, this video is for you. So I have two options. The first option is to subscribe to Grok. It's very easy. When you subscribe to Grok, they actually give you 3 days trial for free. So within these 3 days, you'll be able to use Super Grok and complete all your projects. That is actually the smartest way at this moment, and the first option that is totally free. Okay, that's totally free, but you make sure that right after you subscribe it, you cancel it, because if you don't cancel it after 3 days, they'll deduct $30 from your account. So if you want to prevent that, just cancel it after subscription. If you want to use this method, just after the third day, use another Gmail account. You can create multiple Gmail accounts, and after every 3 days, you can just be using it to have access to SuperGrok. But if this option is not the best way for you, have another option which is almost free. So you don't have to pay for the $30, okay? Because I know a lot of us are starting this YouTube journey and it's hard actually. We are buying a lot of AI tools. So adding Grok to it is crazy right now at the moment because it just happened all of a sudden. So right now, the second option that I'm going to give you is very easy. So come and let me show you. On your browser, open x.com, and then log in or sign up with your email or Google account. So after choosing the email address that you want to use, if you want to sign in with your Google account, you can do it directly. And if you want to choose your own different email, you can also do that like I did here. So I prefer to reset my password because when I log in with my email and I chose Google accounts, they actually created password for me. And this password, if you don't change it, you always end up forgetting it. So I just reset the password and continued. So this is it. My account is now open. So now we have the X account, and now go to home. And you see, when you go to home, you see subscribe at the top there, and they've given you 50%. So just click on it. So after clicking on it, this is what you see. So if you're using X from Nigeria or any other African country and some parts of Asia, you actually see that these prices are actually cheaper. Okay, so for the basic, the premium, and the premium plus, you see that they're all cheaper. You can get a price as low as $2.50. But here I am in Germany. So in Germany and in UK and America, the prices are higher. The prices are higher. So this is why you get $4.64, 4.64 euros actually. So for the first 2 months, this is what you're going to get. For the first 2 months, they're going to give you 50% off. Okay, so after the 2 months, after the second month, or on the third month, they are going to charge you for 9.28 euros. That is the premium price, And if you are actually, you can afford it and you want to pay for the $22, which I think is a little bit expensive for new creators like us, some creators. So we can choose the premium version, and you see that the premium version, it has verified check mark. So it means your account is actually verified. Enhanced Grok access. So enhanced Grok access is actually the Grok that we were using for free. The Grok that we've been using for free. So you see here, you skip the $30 per month and actually pay for the first 2 months $4.64. And then after the 2 months, the third month, you paid 9.28 euros. That is it. All right. So, and these are all the things that comes with it, advanced analyst and whatever, or less ads, so you don't get so many ads or feeds in your when you're watching a video, so less disturbances or whatever. Yeah, and that is it. So this is the plan that you actually choose. Okay, you choose this plan, and then you proceed and pay with your credit card or your bank account. Yeah, so you just enter your bank details, and then you just, or your Visa card, whatever. And then I'm not going to pay it now. Okay, I'm not going to pay it now. So I'm just showing you guys how it works. Okay, so please, if it didn't work that like so please, if you don't see that I'm using it, it's because I'm not paying for it now, right? So after paying, after it is done, so now we come back to Grok and you go to sign in. Now you choose login with X. Log in with X, not email. And then you just come and allow access, authorize access, and then voila, you are logged in. So this Grok is actually, if you subscribed and paid for it, for the premium version, it is now the same as the one that we used to have for free, which has now expired. So which Grok is not allowing anymore. Yes. So this is it. Yeah. So I hope this video actually helped you. All right. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is a new channel, and today I had to do this video because the frustration was too much. And if you really needed this video, I know somebody might also need it. So kindly share this video to somebody who might need it, because lots of people are frustrated right now and they don't have any idea how to use this Grok for free. This is my first video with my face, okay? I'm dedicating this channel for helping other YouTubers. So for free, everything for free, okay? I'm going to teach about all these hidden AI tools that I've been using for my faceless channels and what has been working for me, okay? So I'm dedicating this channel actually for this. So thank you for being here, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.